Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Adidas slippers are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
By carefully controlling the ratio of these materials, we ensure the perfect balance of comfort, flexibility, and
Each batch is refined and tested for quality. Each batch is refined,
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Adidas slippers are made, from start to finish.